Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily convert any document from the version or the format FB2 to any other format. To begin, you will need to open your browser and type Calibre. Click on Calibre eBook Management and click Download Calibre. Here you will choose the version based on your operating system. Once you have clicked on Download, you will need to install little software. And once the installation is completed, you can go ahead and open your software. Then open the file where your document is saved. Click and drag inside the software. The system will start reading metadata and adding to the library. As a next step, click on the document until you see it blue and right-click and select Convert Books. Convert individually and hit Enter. Here we will change the output format. You can choose whatever output format which you want, and you can keep the details as they are or you can change them as you wish. Once done, click OK. And watch out here in the bottom, you will see jobs 1. Once it goes back to 0, it means that the job has been completed. You can always click on it to view the status. Right-click on your document again and select Save to Disk. Save to Disk in a single folder. And here, locate your folder and click Select Folder. As you can see, it's automatically have been adding documents, and here I see one adding with .htmlz, the version or the format which I wanted. Once done, you can go ahead and close your software and start using your document. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.